What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the content, click the bell icon and all that good stuff. So we've got something from G-Star today. These are known as the RCT trainer pants, joggers, bottoms. If I'm honest, I don't know what RCT means. It's probably something a bit basic, but I just haven't done the research, if I'm completely honest. So what they essentially are is like a jogger pant, kind of cargo type thing. So let's just show. So they do have like a zip, and then obviously a button. Then inside it's more like a jogger, so you've got the strings if you want to make it tighter, you definitely can. And then we've got obviously the G-Star Raw on the waistband. And then inside we've got the tags that G-Star bottoms, pants, whatever come with. Oh, there it is. That's the fabric. So the fabric is Alpha Stretch Tech RWR. Color is Shadow Olive. Size is 38 waist. The retail of these is £120. Which I didn't pay. I'll be completely honest with you and put my hands up and say I did not pay £120. I got them for around £40 roughly. Let's just call it £40 just to make it easier. Bargain, to be honest. It's a third of the price and I'd rather pay that much. And the reason I can justify that is obviously because if I go to, like, I've been Primark and I've got joggers, cargos, etc. They're about £20. This is a bit different, £40. You know, it kind of makes sense to me. Plus, what I really do like is the zip on the hem, the cuff, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, or next to the cuff, so zip on the bottom of the leg, and then we've got that cuff. The zip is fully functional, but I will not wear it unzipped, to be honest. I don't see the point of that. But it's a nice little touch. You know, I don't see a lot of cargos or trousers, jogger pants, whatever you want to call them, have that. And again, on this side, same thing. And then it's got that G-Star Originals label that literally every G-Star item, or nearly all G-Star items, have. And then obviously on the back, just the one pocket with the G-Star patch. Obviously on the front, we've got the slanted pockets. These are quite comfortable, so I have worn them. Tried them on, very lightweight, so for the summer, perfect. Even if you're going abroad or planning to go abroad and you want to get a pair just to wear around. Obviously I haven't tested these in hot weather. I've tested these in just like a normal 15-16 degree weather Celsius, and they were pretty good, very comfortable, to be honest. But yeah, I'm not gonna waffle too much. I really do like them. For lower than retail, definitely I'm all ears. And yeah, I'm not going to waffle too much. If I'm not camera shy, I'll stand in front of a camera just to kind of show what they look like on. Oh, in terms of sizing, if you want them to fit loose, go upper size from your normal waist size. So for example, if you're 36, grab a 38. That's what I did basically. So I'm around a 36, around a 38, just depends on the trousers fit and stuff. I wanted these to be kind of loose fitted, just so they're extra comfy. And then obviously the bonus is you can make them tighter here. You don't need a belt or anything. But yeah, that's what I really got to say. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.